In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how can you buy a Netflix subscription. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser, then navigate to the official website of Netflix. Once you're over here, type in your email address and click on Get Started. Then click on the option Send Link. With that, you will be directed to this page. Now you will be receiving link from the Netflix, or also you can generate the password to set up the login details for the Netflix. Once you do that, click on Next. Now you will be asked to choose your plan. Click on Next. So you can see that here are tons of Netflix subscription option: mobile, basic, standard and premium. Each plan comes with different video quality and pricing, so choose the one that best fits your needs and budget. After selecting your plan, click Next. Now you will be taken to the payment page where you can enter your payment method such as debit card, credit card or other available options. Make sure your card has sufficient balance and all details are entered correctly before confirming. Once a payment is proceed successfully, your Netflix subscription will be activated instantly. From there you can start streaming movies, TVs right away on any device. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.